Imagine you are walking into a German store and you want to buy a red jacket, but instead of saying the color, you just point awkwardly like this. Or worst case scenario, someone asks you, was ist dein Lieblingsfarbe? That basically means what's your favorite color? And you freeze. Don't worry, I got you. Today we are going to unlock the power of colors, but in German. And here's the thing, we are not just going to memorize the words like a random textbook. Not at all. We are going to use them in real life conversations. We are also going to learn some fun expressions and even play a game at the end. Ready? Los geht's. So I have just divided this learning process into 4 parts. That means in 4 parts we are going to learn the colors. Okay, so let's start with the first part, which is part 1, learning the colors, the Farben. So let's continue with it. So here are the basic German colors you need to know. So at first we have the basic one, the red. How do you say red in German? You say rot. Okay, rot. Then we have blue. How do you say blue in German? You say blau. Okay, blau. Then we have green. How do you say green? You say grün. Okay, grün. You might notice that grün is with umlaut. That means you don't say grün. Normally you say grün. Okay, grün. Then we have black. How do you say black in German? You say schwarz. Okay, schwarz. Then we have white. How do you say white in German? You say weiß. Okay, weiß. So rot, blau, grün, schwarz, weiß. So then we have the color yellow. How do you say yellow in German? You say gelb. Okay, so let's continue. So how do you say orange in German? You say orange. Okay, orange. The spelling is same, but you have to pronounce it in different way. You don't say orange, you say orange. Then we have purple. How do you say purple in German? You say lila. Okay, lila. Then we have brown. How do you say brown in German? You say braun. Okay, braun. Then we have pink. How do you say pink in German? You say rosa. Rosa. So let's practice it one more time. So for red you say rot, blue, blau, green, grün, black, schwarz, white, weiß, yellow, gelb, then orange, orange, then purple, lila, then brown, braun, and then finally pink, rosa. Now let's continue with a quick practice. Repeat after me, okay? So mein Auto ist rot. Mein Auto ist rot. That means my car is red. Okay? On the other hand, meine Jacke ist gelb. Meine Jacke ist gelb. That means basically my jacket is yellow. Okay, so now let's continue with part 2, which is how to use colors in sentences. Okay, so let's continue. Imagine you are at a cafe in Berlin and you want to order a black coffee. So instead of just saying Kaffee, you can say Ich möchte einen schwarzen Kaffee. Okay, Ich möchte einen schwarzen Kaffee. That basically means I would like a black coffee. You see, schwarzen Kaffee is black coffee. That's because colors in German must match the noun's gender. Let's break it down. Der Kaffee is schwarzer Kaffee. Die Blume is rote Blume. Okay? Then das Auto is blaues Auto. You can see the difference. For Kaffee you said schwarzer Kaffee. For Blume you said rote Blume. But for Auto you said blaues Auto, because they are different nouns and they have different articles. Now it seems like a little bit harder to understand, but don't worry, I'll make this super simple for you. Here is a formula you can remember. So if the noun is masculine, that means if the noun has the article der, add a to the color. Okay, if the noun is feminine, die, add a to the color. Okay, normally in English you say E, but in German A. That's why I'm saying A. Then we have, if the noun is neuter, das, add S to the color. Okay, now let's do a quick challenge. Can you say I have a blue bike in German? Hint, bike has the article das. Okay, das Fahrrad. And you can say it like that. Ich habe ein blaues Fahrrad. Ich habe ein blaues Fahrrad means I have a blue bike. You can see the difference because the noun Fahrrad has the article das. That's why you said blaues Fahrrad. Okay. On the other hand, for coffee we use schwarzer Kaffee. Okay, schwarzer, not schwarzes Kaffee, because Kaffee has the article der. That's why we say schwarzer Kaffee. Okay. So now let's continue with the part 3, which is using colors like a native speaker. Okay. Imagine you are meeting up with a German friend and they ask, welche Farbe hat dein T-Shirt? Welche Farbe hat dein T-Shirt? That means what color is your T-shirt? And how would you answer? you could say mein T-shirt is blau. Mein T-shirt is blau. My T-shirt is blue. If your T-shirt is red, then you can just say mein T-shirt is rot. Same goes with schwarz, weiß, lila, orange, rosa, you know it, right? And here's a fun fact, Germans love using colors related expressions in daily life. And here are a few cool ones. Schwarz sehen. Schwarz sehen, to be pessimistic, literally to see black. Then we have eine weiße Weste haben, to be innocent, literally to have a white vest. So if you want to say someone is innocent, you could just say hat eine weiße Weste. That means literally he is innocent. Okay. Now let's continue with the fourth part, which is interactive color quiz. Alright, let's test what you have learned. I will show you an object and you have to say the color in German. Okay. Let's continue. At first we have an apple. We can see the apple is red. So how do you say the apple is red but in German? Okay, what's the color? Comment below. Then we have a car. It's a blue car. So how do you say the car is blue? Comment below. Next up we have a tree. We know a tree is always green. So how do you say the tree is green? Okay, comment below. And boom. Now you know how to say, use and describe colors in German like a pro. Congratulations. And if you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more fun German lessons. See you then. Bye.